Welcome to All Inclusive Trading. Thank you guys for following. Please do click the like and subscribe button for updated videos every single week. We are going to be looking at Apple right now on the 4-hour time frame, and I'm going to show you guys a trading strategy that I really love to use that you can literally implement tomorrow to start making profitable trades. In a moment, in a few minutes, I'll go over exactly where you guys can get access to all of these indicators and join our amazing team. But first, I want to show you the value in what we have to provide to you before making that jump. So you guys take a look at a couple things here real quick. The first thing I like to do is snap on this linear regression indicator here. Underneath this indicator, you can actually choose exactly how long you want to look. So for example, this is set to 400. So what does that mean? That means that it's taking into account of the past 400 candles in the price action to tell us if we're trading in a bullish, bearish, or consolidating market. For example, this is showing that we're trading in a bear market momentum, so we want to be looking to go short in the market because that's going to give us the highest probability to be winning trades. The next thing, this is a very fun indicator that I want to show you guys. It's actually called MTF EMA, so it's a multiple time frame EMA indicator. Now, a lot of you guys, what specifically why I love this so much is this will actually show you, depending on the length that you want. For example, I'm looking at 100. This will populate on your chart the time frames in which you want it to show up. So this will actually show you where the 100 EMA is on the 400, or excuse me, the 4-hour, 2-hour, 1-hour, whatever you want. So for example, I actually have just this 3 and 4 illuminated here. So if I go back to inputs, this is going to show me where the 100 EMA is on the 4-hour and the 2-hour. So it's going to show me the current time, which is a 4-hour, and it's also going to show me the 2-hour. Now the way to do that and to use this is if you are overall trading in a bear market trend, I like to set this as red on top, green on the bottom. So then my eyes top down are telling me, okay, red is bear on top. So anything that's below here when these are stacked, all you have to be doing is be looking to go short in the market. Now, the areas that you can look to take profit is typically when you get down into these bottom green deviation levels on an overall bear regression trend, because that's when you can typically see a reversal. Or you can do something that's just as simple as look at this top dashboard here. This is going to display a few different market metrics. So this middle band is actually going to tell you the overall market momentum. So when this is green, if you go directly straight down right here, what happened to price right afterwards? It's increasing. So we're going to be looking to go long in the market. Now, when this is red, that means prices typically going to be decreasing. What's happening right down here is decreasing in value. Both times, if you just follow simple steps like that, these are massive winning trades in the market that you guys can capitalize on. So when you get down into these green areas, these are buying zones or accumulation stages in the market. If we were to go directly straight down from where my cursor is right here, you actually got in before this pump, which ended up making a great gain. Also, again, right here, if you go to the bottom right here, that was a great entry to be going long in the market in an overall bear trend. But I like to always tell the people that we end up trading and teaching to go ahead and trade with the trend. It's just a much easier way to look at it. Let's dive a little bit further in depth of actually continuation on a trade. So let's take a look at this. So overall, we're in bear regression trend. We can tell that on our linear regression. We're stacked red and green. So again, we want to be looking to go short in the market. Our middle band is red as well. Now, the third thing I want you guys to take a look at, this white line is going to show you money that's either flowing into the market, that's when price is increasing, or money flowing out of the market, price decreasing. If you are trading in an overall bear regression trend, would you want to be going short when money's going into the market or going out of the market? And the answer to that, which you probably can already say, is you want to be trading with the trend when money's flowing out of the market. So what I typically like to do when I'm placing trades is I like to wait for confirmation on all these indicators. And then I also like to wait for our money momentum, instead of shifting up, to be shifting back out of the market and heading down. So you can tell right here, when we started shifting back down, this was a great spot to be getting in before we had a nice drop to capitalize on a play to the downside. So whenever you're in a bear regression trend overall, your lines are stacked, your multiple time frame EMAs are like this, and you look top down, you have red and then green, and you also have your middle band red and your white line, which is money movement, shifting down. That is a great indication that you could see a continuation lower into the market down to these bottom green deviation levels for you to take profit. If you guys have any questions, please leave comments below. Anything, email me at allinclusiveaccess@gmail.com is my direct email. My name is Justin. I'm actually the founder of all of these indicators and our Discord. If you guys are already here and still watching this video, allinclusivetrading.com is where you can get access to all of our indicators, Discord, and alerts that we send out every single day. We actually have 5 different indicators. It's a buy-sell indicator, a linear regression, advanced dashboard, support and resistance, and also the multiple time frame EMA indicator. Along with that, we do actually have an amazing Discord with incredible traders on here. I've actually seen some of the best trades in my life actually getting together with these people who have joined our team. We do things as like $300 to $3,000 challenges, so people who don't have a lot of funds to start off with. This is a great way to learn how to trade options and also stocks. And then of course we just do technical analysis on stocks every single day using our indicators, which you can tell in these photos below. All you have to do is go up to the top, click I want this, go ahead and join our team. It literally takes less than 5 minutes for you to join, and you can start trading alongside with us. Again, if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. But I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Take care.